Hey Wikipedians, ever heard of edit warring? It's when multiple Wikipedia editors lock horns over a single topic, each defending different facts or sources. Sound intense, right? Well, in this video, we are diving into a fiery edit war that recently took place on the page of Bollywood actress Divya Khosla Kumar, who also happens to be the wife of T-Series music mogul Bhushan Kumar. The drama started when one editor cited a BookMyShow source claiming Divya's birth date is November 20, 1987. Others quickly countered with evidence from her own marriage history suggesting her birth date was November 27, 1981, a bit older than what the first source suggested. But wait, it gets even messier. Some editors pulled out a crucial reference. Her first hit music video, Ayorama, which was released in 2020. If she was 21 in that video, that makes her 45 today. Cue the chaos. Editors flooded in with different sources trying to pin down her actual age. Some pushed for the 87 date, while others held firm on 81. The request for changes came flying in, but nothing seemed to stick. So what's really going on here? Did Divya Khosla Kumar or someone else try to influence her Wikipedia page to make her look younger, or is it just a case of mixed up sources? If you are new to Wikipedia and want to learn more about how Wikipedia works, you can consider my 31-minute Wikipedia course on Udemy. Stay tuned for more Wikipedia updates. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did Divya really try to age backward on Wikipedia? Thank you.